Imagine this. You walk into your kitchen on a quiet Saturday morning. The sun is cutting through the blinds, your house is peaceful, and in the middle of the kitchen a sleek, human-shaped robot quietly moves with calm precision. It opens the refrigerator, it scans ingredients, it chooses what's fresh, it rinses vegetables under the tap. Without splashing a drop, a pot heats up. Oil shimmers, garlic sizzles. Garlic sizzles, not a mess, not a mistake, just perfect timing, perfect cuts, perfect consistency. Breakfast, cooked by Tesla Bot Gen 3 in This might not be science fiction forever. This is the robot chef future the world may be heading toward. And today, we're diving deep into it. The dream of a household robot for over a century. Humanity has dreamed of robots helping at home. From retro sci-fi comics, to the Jetsons, to early robotic vacuum cleaners. But here's the truth. Most home robots today are not really robots. They're tools. Vacuum cleaners, smart fridges, voice assistants. Helpful yes, independent no. A real home robot must see the world, understand the world, predict human behavior, learn tasks, adapt, move safely, and that is insanely complex. Humans make cooking look easy, but cooking is actually a master-level robotics challenge because cooking means recognizing ingredients, manipulating fragile objects, handling heat, multitasking, hygiene, safety, cleaning, improvising, timing, and reacting to unpredictable situations that are more advanced than most factory robots. So if Tesla Bot Gen 3 truly becomes a robot chef, it will represent a historic leap forward. Tesla Bot, from prototype to potential. Tesla first revealed Optimus/Tesla Bot is a research-level humanoid platform. Early versions were slow, mechanical, awkward, but that's how innovation starts. Just like the first iPhone, the first electric car, the first airplane, each generation improves. Gen 2.3, according to expectations, focuses on better balance, higher precision, hand control, more natural motions, safer movement around humans. Real-world learning through AI, not just lifting boxes, but doing delicate tasks. And cooking. That is the ultimate test. Why cooking is the boss level for AI. Cooking is not one skill. It is thousands of micro skills combined. Think about chopping an onion. You instinctively know how much force to use, how hard the onion is, how slippery it becomes, how to angle the knife. A robot must calculate everything in real, safely, accurately. Now multiply that by open flame, boiling water, sharp knives, measuring, kneading dough, plating. Your dog walks in, a child runs past, you get a phone call, you reach across the counter. The robot must predict and adapt instantly. That is true AI. Inside the robot chef brain, Tesla Bot's intelligence is built on the same foundation as autopilot and full self-driving. Meaning, it learns from real-world data, it builds a 3D understanding of the environment, it predicts motion. In a kitchen, that means recognizing carrots versus peppers, raw versus cooked meat, clean versus dirty dishes, hot versus cold, water spills versus reflections, and responding safely. Every movement matters, every mistake would be dangerous. So Tesla's approach will always emphasize safety, gives precision, gives adaptation, gives trust. A day with Tesla Bot in the kitchen. Let's walk through it. You say, make grilled chicken with vegetables. Tesla Bot scans your pantry visually. It identifies proteins. It checks expiry dates. It selects the right tools. It washes hands because hygiene is vital. It disinfects surfaces. It preheats pans with controlled temperature. It seasons ingredients evenly, not too salty, not burnt, not undercooked. Then it plates the food beautifully, like a restaurant. And when you finish, it cleans the kitchen, stores leftovers, runs the dishwasher. Quiet.com/efficient. The human-robot relationship. A robot chef isn't just about convenience, it's about time. Time for family, hobbies, creativity, work, rest. Cooking takes hours weekly. Cleaning takes more. Imagine a world where your meals are fresh, healthy, on time, customized, and you didn't have to rush home. This could especially change life for elderly people, disabled individuals, busy workers, caregivers. Robots could bring freedom and dignity. Elon Musk's reaction. Elon has often said, AI plus robotics will become bigger than cars. So imagine Elon watching Tesla Bot Gen 3 sorting vegetables with smooth wrist control. Perfect timing, perfect plating, perfect safety. Even Elon, known for big ideas, would be impressed, because this is not a gadget. It is a new category of technology, a new industry. A new era. The real-world challenges, but let's stay realistic. There are massive challenges. Cost regulations, safety certification, data privacy, maintenance, public trust, plus AI must be fair, transparent. Secure, and society must adapt. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Cooking is just the beginning. A robot that can cook and also clean, do laundry, perform repairs, manage inventory, assist elderly, support hospitals, work in factories, and more. Because the core ability is understanding plus manipulating the physical world. Cooking just proves mastery. The future home picture. The home of 2030 to 2040. Your Tesla Bot prepares breakfast, packs lunch, tracks nutrition, keeps the home running. You interact naturally. Cook something light today. Make it vegetarian. Use less oil. The robot learns your taste, your schedule, your health needs. Food becomes personalized, optimized. Effortless. Dash. A new chapter for humanity. Tesla Bot Gen 3, if it truly becomes a robot chef, isn't just about cooking. It's about redefining labor for the first time in history. A machine won't just compute, it will care for human needs in the real world, quietly, safely, reliably, freeing people to focus on what only humans can do. Think, create, love, live. The RoboChef era is coming. Maybe not overnight, maybe not in one launch, but step by step we're all getting closer. And when that day arrives, it won't just change dinner, it will change everything. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla Bot Gen 3 and the future of cooking robots, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real, grounded tech stories.